Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a onesie. A malfunctioning zipper can be frustrating, but many common issues are surprisingly simple to resolve with just a few basic tools. We will go through identifying the problem, from a misaligned slider to bent teeth, and then discuss the most effective solutions. You will learn how to get your favorite onesie back in perfect working order in just a few easy steps. Many zipper problems are quite common and have straightforward fixes. If your zipper is stuck or has separated, first check for any fabric caught in the teeth. Sometimes, simply pulling the fabric free can solve the issue. For a slider that won't move, try applying a small amount of lubricant, like a graphite pencil lead, to the teeth. Bent teeth can often be carefully straightened with needle nose pliers, allowing the slider to pass smoothly again. If the slider itself is broken or missing, replacing it is a viable option. First, you will need to remove the old slider, which often involves carefully prying open the metal stop at one end of the zipper. Once removed, slide the new slider onto the zipper teeth, making sure it is oriented correctly. Then, secure the new slider by either crimping a new metal stop in place or by sewing a sturdy fabric stop to prevent it from coming off. Sometimes, a zipper is beyond simple repair, and a full replacement is the best course of action. This is usually the case if a significant number of teeth are missing, or if the zipper tape itself is badly torn or frayed. While more involved, replacing the entire zipper ensures a lasting fix and restores full functionality to your onesie. With a little patience, you can tackle this project and enjoy your garment for many more seasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.